Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to crochet these super cute bow keychains. This tutorial is beginner friendly and easy to follow. In the comments below, choose which one you like, the yellow one or the pink one. In this tutorial we're going to be crocheting this pink one. So follow along, this is step by step, beginner friendly. Today we're going to be making a super cute bow that's also a keychain because why not? I'll be using I Love This Cotton Yarn, a 3.5 millimeter hook, a scissor, and a needle. Let's get started. Before you continue this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You will also be needing a keychain keyring because it is the one that's going to be hanging on your little bow. We're going to be starting with the top of the bow, which is going to be the top of it. And then we're going to be making the little one on the bottom, and then we're going to be using the yarn all around. We're going to be doing a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 26. 1, 2, 26. Let's get some more yarn. Alright, after we chain 26, we're gonna make a double crochet in the third chain from the hook here. So we're gonna skip 1, 2, and then go inside of this one. So we're gonna yarn over and then skip the first 2 chains. 1, 2. Then we're gonna go inside of this one. And that's our first double crochet of the row. Now we're going to continue making the double crochets all the way down the chain until we reach the end. So now we just finished our first one, which we skipped 2. Now let's continue doing the other ones without skipping anything. Now, since you finished the last double crochet, you should have a total of 24 double crochet. Now we're going to chain 2. 1, 2, and then you turn your work, and then we'll be starting row 2. And then we're gonna be double crocheting and then going into the first stitch. That was our first double crochet of the row. And then we're just gonna be continuing doing that till the end of bow. Now when you're done in row 2 here, you should still have a total of 24 stitches all across your project. Then you chain 2, 1, 2, and then we'll be starting row 3. We're going to place 1 double crochet in each of the 24 stitches, just like row 2. We're going to finish the last double crochet. You're supposed to have 24 stitches just like row 2. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Then we're going to take the bottom part and connect it to the front. And then the stitches have to line up together. And then we're going to just stitch it in, and your hook is supposed to go through both of the stitches. Then you just do a single crochet all the way across. At this point, we have joined both of the sides, so then we can go and cut our yarn. We need to leave a long tail because it's going to wrap around the bow. You have to have a lot, because then if you don't have a lot, then this project isn't going to look good. Now we're going to put this on the side. Just remember, just leave this like that. So and then we'll just turn it around. Now, for the bottom part, we're going to first chain 14. We're going to do a slip stitch first, and then put it in the yarn. And then we're going to chain 14. 3, 4, 5. Now, after chain 14, we are going to go to the third chain and then make a double crochet. So we're going to skip the first two, which is 1, 2, go in this one, and then do your double crochet in here. And then you're going to continue. When you finish the last double crochet, we're going to chain 2. And then you're going to turn your work. And then this is how we're going to put the yarn tail inside of our crochet. So now when you're done, this is going to be your result. And then you're just going to take this one and then continue with your other one. Make sure that this is always on top of it so it's inside of it. After you're done with the double crochets, you do chain 1 and then you cut your yarn. And then if you still have some yarn that you weaved in, just cut that off too. Now you get your needle, and then you put your yarn inside of it. And then you put your needle in between the double crochets. So as you can see here, it's in between. And then you pull it through. You just cut it off. And then there you have it, the bottom of your bow. When you're done with both of them, we're gonna you see this place, this area where we put them together? We're gonna put it like this. And then we're gonna bend it to how you like it. And then we're gonna do the same exact thing for the little one, but you're gonna put it on the bottom. Now you're gonna use the yarn from the big one, and then you're gonna wrap them together. Make sure when you are wrapping it, make sure that it's tight so it looks better. And try to put it all in the same place. Oof, we have a lot of yarn left over. Let's cut it. And now with the leftover yarn, we are going to put it inside of the needle. When you cut it off and put it in the needle, we're going to go through the loops and then pull the yarn and then secure the bow forever. And then when you're done, you cut your yarn and then it doesn't show. Now when you just finished your bow, we're going to use the hook to put it on top of the bow. There is no certain place where you should put it, but just try to put it between those loops and in the middle. Now there you have it. a little bow that is very easy and beginner friendly that you just finished. Congrats! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye! Watch more, crochet more.